Hello students, now let us start today the homogeneous differential equation. Before studying the homogeneous differential equation, we should understand the homogeneous function. Let us consider the following function f1xy equal to x square minus y square upon 2xy. If we replace x by lambda x, if we replace x by lambda x and y by lambda y in the mentioned above function, we should get f1 lambda x lambda y equal to lambda square x square minus lambda square y square upon 2 lambda x lambda y. That's equal to the function lambda square x square minus y square upon lambda square 2xy, and that's equal to the lambda power 0 xy f1 xy. Such type of function is a differential equation. Such type of function is a differential equation. So the function is a homogeneous function because the f1 lambda xy, f1 lambda x lambda y equal to f lambda 0 f1 xy, such that such type of function is a homogeneous function. Now let us consider the homogeneous differential equation. How to solve a homogeneous differential equation? Now we take another example to follow the instruction of solving the homogeneous differential equation. If the x square minus y square dx plus 2xy dy equal to 0, this is the equation or this is a function to solve the differential equation by a homogeneous thinking, and we write the function dy by dx equal to fxy upon gxy. First we write the given differential equation in the form of dy by dx fxy upon gxy and verify it is a homogeneous function or not. Verify it is a homogeneous function or not. So then first we simplify dy by dx equal to y square minus x square upon 2xy upon 2xy. So this function, we verify that the homogeneous function, so we substitute the value of lambda x and lambda y in the place of x and y. So dy upon dx is equal to lambda square y square and lambda square x square to lambda x and lambda y. That's equal to lambda square y square minus x square upon lambda square 2xy, lambda square 2xy. So the lambda cancel and we find fxy. This is verify that the function is a homogeneous function. This is verify that the function is a homogeneous function. So dy by dx equal to fxy dy by dx equal to fxy is a homogeneous differential equation. dy by dx equal to fxy is a homogeneous differential equation, and we put y equal to dx, so is a homogeneous differential equation. So we put y equal to dx and differentiate with respect to x, we get dy by dx equal to v plus x dv by dx, x dv by dx. So if you have any function, first we verify that the function is a homogeneous function, and we substitute y as a lambda y and x as a lambda x. So dy by dx lambda square y square minus lambda square x square upon 2 lambda x into lambda y. Taken lambda square as a common in the numerator and lambda square in the denominator, and that's equal to fxy. So dy by dx equal to fxy is a homogeneous differential equation. Then we put y equal to vx and differentiate with respect to x, and we get dy by dx equal to v plus x dv by dx. Clear? dy upon dx equal to y square minus x square upon 2xy. So v plus x dv by dx equal to v square x square minus x square upon 2x vx. So x square as common and v square minus 1 upon 2v x square. X square cancel and v plus x dv by dx equal to v square minus 1 upon 2d. x dv by dx equal to v square minus 1 upon 2v minus v, that's equal to v square minus 1 minus 2v square upon 2v equal to minus 1 minus v square upon 2v. So therefore 2v minus 1 minus v square equal to dx upon x. Dx upon x. This is the form of a differential equation, and if we write, implies that 2v upon v square plus 1 dv equal to dv equal to minus dx upon x, minus dx upon x. Clear? So the next part, two v upon v square plus 1 dv equal to minus dx upon x. Now we integrate both sides and we get log v square plus 1 equal to minus log x plus minus log x plus log c. Log c. Log v square plus 1 plus log x is equal to log c and log x 1 plus v square equal to log c. So x is equal to x 1 plus v square equal to c. So we put the value of v x 1 plus y square upon x square equal to c, and x square plus y square upon x square equal to c, and x square plus y square is equal to cx is equal to cx. This is the equal to cx. This is the solution of a given differential equation. This is the solution of a given differential equation. Clear? Now it's